beans for breakfast. Nailed it. All around the world, beans are a staple. I'm gonna teach you how to make an Ethiopian dish called full. Minced red onion, minced white onion, minced garlic. We're gonna toast the spices, add the olive oil, add the onions, add the garlic, add the beans. To braise your beans, you can use water or you can add some smoked turkey stock. Next, we're gonna make a tomato relish. Onion, cilantro, parsley, mint, tomato. Oh yeah, lime. All right, now let's plate the beans. We're gonna top with some tomato relish, add some toasted sliced bread, and kick it up with some red pepper flakes. Bam! Breakfast of champions. That's good.